Okay, she's busy, Bryce. We're gonna watch her open presents.
Happy birthday.
Don't be in my way.
Excuse me.
You can do this.
Act surprise.
Well, she will act surprised with mine. She doesn't know what it is. Bryce, move. You're in Grandpa's way.
Oh, sorry, Grandma.
Okay.
This one's from Dad.
I bet you.
I also got this necklace from Dad.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, nice, Dad.
Wow.
Good going, Dad. Oh, Michelle, yeah, get right in the way.
You know what?
Move towards Bryce.
She's my daughter. I'm taking pictures.
She's my granddaughter. Oh, okay.
And then James Avery. Also from Dad.
Ooh, I bet it's a charm. Which one?
Which one?
Oh my gosh.
What'd you get? What's in there? The suspense is killing me.
A book?
Sweet tea.
Oh, sweet tea. Oh, yeah. I remember you talking about that.
Yeah, I wanted that one with blue bonnet.
Who got you that?
Got a second charm.
Dad, that's
You got a
going. All
chocolate
right.
charm?
No, I got a
That is cool.
charm.
Oh.
A second.
What did Bryce? What did you get?
Huh?
Here it comes.
Oh, this is from right. Wait, let me get the bag first.
This
Show me
is-
the bag that your Tia got you.
Hey, hey, hey.
I got everything that's in there.
Everything, I'm sure.
Dang. She's only 19, you know.
Card. There's no
This is not
card.
X-rated,
No.
is it?
You always buy a
I
card.
know, I forgot.
I wrote a card.
Oh, this is cute.
What is it?
A little notepad. I actually use notepads now.
Long
A
enough.
used notepad?
No, I use notepads.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
There's something else in it.
There's kitty cats out.
Oh.
Perfect.
Those are cute.
Hey, Bianca. Bianca has Hello Kitty socks.
Makeup.
Ooh.
Ugh.
Do you use makeup?
I didn't know she used
I'm wearing makeup right now.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
Grandpa, you broke the picture. Z already broke it.
Oh,
Z already
geez.
knocked it over.
Yeah, it's fine.
Who did?
Okay, get this one, Dad.
Look, it's Alexander.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Stop it.
Take a video.
I am.
Woo!
Is that the flag?
It's the biography of Alexander Hamilton.
I got it.
Who was Alexander Hamilton? Tell me.
One of
I
our
don't
founding
know.
fathers of the
There's
United
something else
States. And he
What was his position in the cabinet?
Something else
the
in
treasurer.
Very good. All right, you're gonna go good,
What
far,
dog is he
girl.
on?
He was a person.
girl.
He was a Federalist.
He was a
Oh
person.
wow.
Yes.
There's something else.
Wait, not yet. No, it's part of the bag.
Underneath.
That's it.
Yeah, underneath. I remember one of my birthday like
Thank
2
you,
years
Jackie.
ago.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
What bills?
I was hoping no one else got it.
Good going, Jackie.
Because I said I'm going to get it.
Yeah.
I took a picture.
I want you to read it. I want you to read it tonight, okay?
Show us what Grandpa got you.
Get us a report.
Dang, that
It's in
looks
my
so
bag.
hard
It's
to
in my
read.
wallet.
Tell him.
Where's my dollar?
I'll get it.
I want my
Tell him what
dollar.
he told you when he gave it to you.
To give him back $1.
You're only 19. You're not 20. Oh, okay.
You gotta save it for next one.
I don't have any ones.
Yeah, you'll get 20 next year.
Do you have a one?
Bill does.
I'll wait.
Bill has
I'll give it
Till
to you
next year.
With interest?
That's it.
We have this. Maybe.
That's it?
Kristen, Kristen,
Hey,
we
get
have
the phone.
This is from
Aw.
What do you say?
Sorry, get you a card. That's okay. This is cool.
No, just
Now you can buy more songs. I don't know. Grandpa's still videoing. Do something. Do a dance.
No, there's like
I like turtles.
Oh, come on. Get out of here,
I need
Bryce.
to fix it.
Dad, you misplaced
Isn't Bryce crazy?
Yeah.
There's like
think that.
Yeah, you're so, you're so cool, Bryce. Your aunt can beat you up.
Amy, can we see your Eddie? Get to see your
Michelle.
I'll bring it over.
Angelique said, where did you get your daughter?
I can't tell you.
Oh.
No, it's a secret. You could just say it's a.
You bought her a car?
Maybe I'll get it.
I was going to say, wasn't it a car? Car was still.
An American car?
A Mazda 3.
Oh,
That's so American.
a BMW?
American.
Bryce chose it out.
Oh, he did? Good job.
I don't even look at makeup.
Yeah, get a close up. It's the
And then I
back
got a
of
new
that
charm
picture.
for my charm bracelet. It's
You're wearing makeup now?
No.
Oh, what? It's sweet.
You can wear silky.
It's a little
Because
joke.
everywhere we go, what does she get?
Both of us.
Oh, so
Raspberry
cute.
and
Alani always drinks silky.
I don't drink tea.
Does Alani get charms too?
Yeah.
So
He has a
great.
bracelet. And bracelet.
Well, all
That's
three of us
amazing
have
that you just
matching
did that.
candy.
Candy.
Okay, say goodbye, Kristen.
Bye.
Bye.